Today we're diving into the fascinating world of stepper motors. These incredible devices are everywhere, from 3D printers to robotic arms. But how do they work, and how can you control one? Let's find out. So a stepper motor is a type of a motor that moves in small, precise steps instead of spinning continuously like a regular motor. This precision makes them ideal for applications that require exact positioning, like moving the print head in a 3D printer or controlling the camera focus of a drone or on a drone. Inside a stepper motor, there are two key components. We have a rotor, which has a central shaft, which is often magnetic, that moves. So the central shaft itself moves. We have a starter coils. Those are fixed electromagnetic coils. They surround the rotor itself. The coils are energized in a specific sequence, which makes them create a magnetic field that pulls or pushes the rotor, causing it to step into the next position. This sequential movement is what gives stepper motors their precise control. There are two main types of stepper motors. We have the unipolar stepper motors, which is what we have right here. These are simpler to control, and they are commonly used with the ULN 2003 driver board, which we have right here. There's also bipolar stepper motors. These, they require more advanced driver like the L298N, but they offer higher torque. Now let's look at what we need to control a stepper motor. Firstly, we need a stepper motor, which is the 28BYJ, which we have here. And we need a driver board, the ULN 2003 driver board. And then we also need the Arduino Uno board, which is we have here an Arduino Uno R3 board. A power source jumper wires, these ones. And here's how we could connect everything together. We have this from the stepper motor plugs into the ULN L3 2003 driver board. We connect. That's a simple connection. You connect them into the plug that's already there. And from the driver board itself to the Arduino board, we can connect IN1 to digital pin 8, 9, 10, 11. So IN1, 2, 3, and 4 connected to 8, 9, 10, 11 respectively. And finally, the power side of things, we have the driver board's power pins. So from the motor board, the power pin we connect from the 12V to the 5V, and then the GND to the GND on the Arduino board. So now that we've connected all the hardware, let's upload some code using a simple library called the stepper.h. It's by Arduino. So on our screen, if you can, to download the libraries, you probably need to go to Tools and then Manage Library and search for your stepper.h library. You then choose the one by Arduino itself and install that one. I've already have it installed on my Arduino IDE, and I already have our code set up. All we need to do now is load the code onto our board. So let's load our code onto our Arduino board. So once the code is uploaded, immediately you can see that the stepper motor starts moving. It makes one full rotation clockwise, like it's doing now, and then reverses the move counterclockwise. So the move is smooth and precise, and it's step by step. So stepper motors, what they're perfect for 3D printing, for accurate layer by layer printing. They're perfect for robotics, for controlling movement and rotation, some robotic arms. And they're also perfect for CNC machines, for precise cutting and engraving. And that's how stepper motors works, and that's how you can control it with our Arduino IDE. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching.